friends, God bless you and welcome back. My name is Penny. We're back in the kitchen doing our kitchen challenge, and today's video is cleaning under the kitchen sink, and this is week number 5, and this is an open collaboration, and I thank you so much everyone that is joining us today. So guys, this is a challenge. A few months ago, I had a little leak under my sink, so it kind of really messed up down here, but it wasn't too bad. So I'm taking everything out. As you see, I have my trash can under the sink and just got to clean some things up. But the grace of God is that it wasn't really that bad. Now, I'll tell you one thing. Being under this kitchen sink is not an easy task, but it needs to be done. So I was trying to figure out whether or not I needed to remove the trash can that I have under the kitchen sink, because being that I have a small kitchen, it was more convenient for me to put the trash can under the kitchen sink. But I figured out that I did not have to move it to clean it. So guys, I thank you so much for coming along with me in this challenge, and I hope you get motivated because this is a cleaning series. Thank y'all so much for being a part of this. As you see, friends, I'm using some vinegar and water just to clean down here because it's really not that bad. And I am pulling out this shelf cheap paper that I don't like and will never use again. But this time it didn't leave as bad of a residue. It left some, but it wasn't as bad. So I'm not really worrying about it because I'm going to put a better shelf liner down here. So friends, before I get too far into the video, I thank my co-host, Miss Melissa from the Buckeye Girls Reef and Things channel. Also Miss Anna for the Grace Life DIY channel. Guys, this is a cleaning series. Put us on your TV. There is a playlist, and guys, you will have hours and hours of cleaning after this. So I hope y'all watch us on your TV while you're at home, and I hope this has really motivated you guys because we are trying to help you clean and declutter your kitchen. Okay, friends, I got some new liner from Target. It was $8, and this is a more sturdy or durable liner, and you can use it under the kitchen sink because just in case you have problems or leaks or things, it won't mess up anything. Or you can use it under the bathroom. So I really suggest, guys, to get something really sturdy. So here I'm just working through the system here and trying to figure out how everything's going to fit, because I have my containers that hold my dishwasher tablets, they hold the gloves. You know, I got these containers with the top on it from the Dollar Tree. I think they came as 3 or 4 set for $10. So these are things I've been had, and in the corner I got that wire rack because it helped to organize under the sink. So just trying to put everything back, and I'm so glad that I am doing this because I realized that I have a lot of cleaning supplies, and to be honest with you guys, I don't need to buy any more cleaning supplies no time soon. So this is my setup, and all I'm have to do now is to put everything back together, and just to make it easier because I just keep my dish detergent under the sink. I found out, friends, that I have 3 cans of oven cleaner, so when I clean the oven, I definitely won't need none of that. Friends, I use this WD-40 for a cleaning hack that Melissa from Buckeye Reef told me about, and it cleans your appliances, those that are silver. But if you use it, just test a little bit on the bottom to see how it does. But it worked good on the refrigerator. I tried it on the stove. It didn't work good for the stove, but the refrigerator, oh yeah, it bring that baby back to life. Now, I just bought some of these cleaning cloths from TJ Maxx. Guys, I'm always believing in a budget, and it's only $6.99 for 12. So go where there is a deal, because I'm telling you guys, you got to watch those coins because things are so high. So I'm so glad that I stopped in TJ Maxx and saw these. And I get my sponges from TJ Maxx, and that's what I use, my sponges. But it come in, I think, like a 8 or 9 pack for only maybe $3.99, $4.99. These microfiber cloths are only $6.99. And guys, it does help that you don't have to use so much paper towel. But I do use paper towel for necessary things sometimes. But I try to use these cloths, and I'm going to keep these in my little shelf, wire shelf, and the sponges. And I also use the little cleaning Mr. Green sponges, the white ones, but I get them from the Dollar Tree, or if I see them on sale, I get a deal. So I always try to keep extra here, and that's what I use. Guys, if you try these sponges at TJ Maxx, you will definitely love them. Friends, make sure that if you use SOS pads that you cut it in two, and this will help you with your savings. And a lot of times I don't need the whole pad. So this is my dishwasher tablets, and I keep the gloves in the other container, so that let me know I have to get a refill on that. But other products, no, I don't need nothing else. Now, friends, you would have to just know what system of organization that you need for your family. There are so many different ways to organize your home in different systems, but find what fits for you. I am cleaning my home to a better me. I am cleaning for a better me. I am getting clutter out, putting things in order. We're turning our house into a home. Our home should be our castle. Friends, I got everything at hand on what I need to clean for my kitchen. I got my microfiber cloth, my cleaning products, everything. Now I want to share with you, this is a weekly cleaning chore here for your trash cans, because these trash cans need to stay clean. Use hot water, dish detergent, and bleach, and just soak them at night. That's it. When you put your trash cans in, make sure you put a bag, and make sure you put in extra bags. We used to do this because I used to clean villas with my mom, and we always kept extra trash bags in the trash can. So when we came back, hey, we didn't have to run around. So this is the finished look, guys, and I did label a few things so that family will know where everything is at. So friends, before I go, just want to share with you my little dinner I did that night. I made a grilled Swiss cheeseburger with some grilled onions and homemade fries. So guys, hope y'all enjoyed that. And on next week, week 6, we will be decluttering clutter from our counters or any place in your kitchen you have clutter. Friends, I hope that this has been an inspiration. Don't forget to go back and watch the playlist. I thank y'all so much for joining, and I hope y'all will try this meal. It's so simple. I wish I really would have put it in the air fryer. So guys, I hope you enjoy your day. I hope y'all can get your space and your home in order. Take it one day at a time. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye from Penny.